Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this exciting tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install the iQIYI app. So this is going to be on Fire TV. If Fire TV is loaded up, let's go. So I want you to go to Find tab and then scroll down to search bar. So click on the search bar and you have a keyboard pulled up. So type in iQIYI, that's I. So navigate to the buttons and type in iQIYI. iQIYI. So iQIYI. So you see the iQIYI app pull up right there. So click on it and click on this icon to get in. Now you have your download button loading. It's downloading, so you click on download, and after a few seconds, this download will begin. When the download is complete, just move over to relax, wait for it to finish, and when it's completed downloading, you find the installation process automatic. When it's installed, you find it automatically in your app library. So head over to your app library and enjoy the application from there. If you found value in this presentation, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you have more content like this.